Hey guys, Tony here. I'm here with Serge from EKINEX, and he's going to run through everything that he's got on offer here for the Tech Summit. So over to you, Serge.
Thank you. I'm Serge from EKINEX. Yes, EKINEX is an Italian company that produces switches for use in lighting control and home automation. They're all KNX based, but they can integrate with other protocols as well. One of the things we're promoting is the new Connect 4 module, which is behind you there, Tony. The Connect 4 module allows Control 4 integrators to use EKINEX switches and bring them directly into Control 4 and use the composer to program them independently of ETS. So it's a great thing for Control 4 dealers who want to increase their range of switches available to their clients, and also to perhaps dip their toe into the world of KNX without committing to the full training package. What we've got here on display is a small selection of our range. We've got one of our style cases here laid out on the table. You can see some of our finished materials here. We've got our plastics, metals and Fenix, and then a few devices from our range. We've got the FF series here in the no frame version. We've got the FF series in the form version, again in the form but with the horizontal rockers. This is in our green Fenix colour, this is in our brass metal. Over here we've got the 20 Venti, which is the surface version with the 3mm profile and RGB LEDs, backlit text or symbols. We can have that in a 4-fold, but also in an 8-fold version as well. Again, these plates are available in all the finished materials you see here. Over here we've got a few more options, just showing that we can do matching surrounds for GPOs and also for data points, Cat6, PAL, USB chargers, anything really. And also some room temperature controllers. And this is our Signum device here, which we label as a virtual push button. So what this allows you to do, it sort of mimics the dimensions of the 20 Venti a little bit. You've got 4 push buttons here. You can scroll through to another screen showing the device with a 2-button configuration. You can also have a single button configuration if you like, but you could have 3 pages of 4 giving you 12 things to control, or lights or lighting groups or devices. Scrolling through those pages, you get to a thermostat page, so we can integrate AC, control it like that, which looks a lot better than your Daikin or Mitsubishi thermostat, I'm sure you'll agree. And then onto an audio page. We can be Apple, Amazon, Spotify, that you can use with your streamer. One of the other things that we're trying to show people at the moment is how we can use EKINEX also in conjunction with Control 4 here, or independently using our own Delago server to control your energy management. So solar production, we can produce diagrams showing real-time production, usage and export to the grid. We can generate graphs and schedules, so you can do load shedding. You can provide data on the amount of power you've used, the amount of power you've produced. And you can even do things like schedule for things to happen in the house. You can perhaps run your washing machine or your dishwasher as the power becomes available when you start making your own power with your solar panels. You can use that energy to put into your underfloor heating system, your domestic hot water, your air conditioning, wherever it can be used best. Rather than selling it to the grid for a few cents, you can use as much as you can in the house, therefore reducing the payback period of your solar installation and also perhaps your automation installation.
Fantastic. So would you say that this is designed, or the purpose for the product range is to give a bit of polish to the end user experience? Is that the aim, or is it to solve other problems?
Well, it's supposed to be, it's very technically capable. It's a KNX product. As with all KNX products, it's one of the many options available. There's a lot that you can do with KNX. Our products are obviously specifically designed to look great and have interesting finished materials. Everything here is designed and manufactured in Italy. The team at EKINEX put a lot of effort into making sure things look a certain way. So yeah, it's about style, but it's also about the technology behind it. It's nice to have a good-looking switch, but it needs to be able to do all the functions that KNX systems are famous for.
Fantastic. And so you mentioned that it specifically goes in with Connect 4, is that right?
Yes, EKINEX and Control 4 have been working very closely in Europe to produce this device called the Connect 4. And it's, I guess, in layman's terms, you say it's a translator.
So it's like middleware, would you say like a middleware
gateway
device?
Let's say a gateway between the two devices. Technically, it's an IP web server.
Sure.
But it's a gateway between the two protocols, and allows them to communicate. You could always do that before, but this just makes it a lot simpler. and there's a lot less software involved
So
in this program.
you'll have the nice front end, and then you say what you want to do, say change the temperature. It then sends it to that device, and then it sends it through Control 4 to your end product, basically.
Yep. So one way to do it, you can just say that you're controlling your Control 4 system with an EKINEX keypad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. And being Italian, it's looks nice too.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, we've got
Fantastic.
some lovely brochures here with a lot of images, which are mainly about highlighting the way things look and how they look on the wall. We spend a lot of time speaking with architects, showing them what can be done, showing them that you can match your switches to your decor. You can make a feature of it, or you can make a blend into the background. With the colour range we've got, there's pretty much a solution for every home.
Very nice. Well, guys, I'll have links down in the description to everything. So thanks again, Serge, for taking the time to this video.
Thanks, Tony. Thanks, everyone.
Awesome.